Welcome to FIB. Today let's see how you can use your discount coupon code. Before using it, you must be logged in to our FIB website. Therefore, click on the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email or username and type your password. When you are in the FIB network, please go back to the main website using the small icon on the top right corner. As you can see here, you are logged in and the system recognized you. Therefore, go to the publication page and in the FIB Bulletins, you can select the bulletin you wish to buy. Let's take a PDF version of the Bulletin 89 and add it to the shopping cart. This product has been successfully added and it costs 120. So now I will add the FIB Bulletin coupon code given by the Secretariat and type it here. Click on Save and I go down first to accept the privacy policy and the terms of service. The coupon is added and I can get a 50% discount. As you can see here, I got 60 francs of discount. I click on direct download for the shipment method and I click on bank transfer for my payment method. I confirm my purchase and my order has been sent to my email. Thank you for watching this video.